Mastering English Conditionals. Zero Conditional Deep Dive. Hello language learners. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of conditionals, specifically the zero conditional. Understanding and correctly using this grammatical structure will help you take your English language skills to a new level. So, let's get started. The zero conditional is used to express a general truth or a fact, something that always happens under certain conditions. These sentences describe situations that are always true if something specific occurs. Here's an example. If water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. This is a fact. Every time the condition, water reaching 100 degrees Celsius, is met, the result, it boils, is the same. The structure of the zero conditional is simple, yet crucial to understand. Here's how it works. 1. Condition clause. This usually comes first and starts with if, followed by the condition. The verb here is in the simple present tense. 2. Result clause. This clause also uses the simple present tense. It describes what happens when the condition is met. The formula is if plus simple present, simple present. For instance, consider the sentence, if you heat ice, it melts. Here, if you heat ice, is the condition clause, and it melts, is the result clause. Remember, the two clauses can also switch places without changing the meaning. So, it melts if you heat ice, is equally correct. One common mistake learners make is confusing the zero conditional with the first conditional, which refers to real and specific situations in the future, not general facts. For example, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. This is a first conditional sentence because it's about a specific future event, not a general fact. With the zero conditional, both verbs are always in the simple present tense. So, a sentence like, if it rains, I will stay at home, is not a zero conditional sentence. So, that's the zero conditional. Remember, it's all about general facts or universal truths. And the structure is simply if plus simple present, simple present. Keep practicing this structure, and soon you'll master the art of using the zero conditional. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more English grammar deep dives, and happy learning!